Next job is laminating the two pieces for the foredeck together, two pieces of 6mm, which should be plenty for the to support the mast. Yep. Just starting to build the daggerboard slot. Just mocked it up with a couple of clamps. The decision here is to how big to make it in relation to the daggerboard, so there's enough tolerance, but it's not too sloppy. Obviously allowing for epoxy coating and varnish inside the daggerboard case and on the daggerboard. So that's a decision I'm trying to make at the moment. That's going to sit somewhere like that. Obviously trimmed down to the same height as the central frame, and then what I'm planning to do is support that off the central frame with this slot cut out so that that sits over the top of the daggerboard case. That will be then glued in there with a couple of braces either side, and then there'll be obviously a centre thwart across here, and then a capping piece over the top of the daggerboard case. So yeah, one of those things that needs quite a lot of thought before actually doing it, but it's a good challenge. Cut the slot in the top of the daggerboard brace and just mocked it up with clamps. Bit of a complex clamping arrangement, but that'll be how I assemble it when it's all glued together. And there's the daggerboard just offered up into the case. Just having a first go at steaming the inwales just to try and bend them a bit to the curve of the inside of the boat. So we'll see how this goes. Well, that's the result from the first go at steaming, which is quite good. The only thing is the bend is too much in the middle, so I just need to have another go and try and steam this end of it a bit just to curve it around. And that's how it's looking after the second go at steaming. Pretty much there to shape now. At some point we've got to cut a hole in the bottom of the boat, and that point is now. Just a brief update to show the inwales glued in place. Today's job is to glue the rubbing strakes onto the gunwale. They've dried overnight, left them clamped up to the edge of the boat just to keep the right shape. The wood's now dry, so we're going to get on with gluing them. Look! Tom, just pull that little tear out from underneath.
Oh, just varnish
Oh, look, it goes down!
Are we going to varnish the centreboard? The daggerboard?
There we go, look!
Varnish the shaft.
I was going to take it off.
Just a quick update as to where we are at the moment. The next stage of the build is going to be to glue on the bottom runners. The central runner is a single piece, fore and aft, with a slot cut for the daggerboard here, and then a couple of bilge runners as well. Once those are epoxied on, then I'm going to put some protective strips on there just to prolong the life of those. Once those are all in place, we're then going to finish the underside of the boat, primer and top coat, and then we'll turn the boat over and then we'll fit out the inside.
Stuff that we put on before the paint.
The undercoat.
The undercoat. I knew that. So Adam's going to start off. Yay! We're not going to paint it correct.
Wow, that's going on nicely.
Yeah.
Oh, that's satisfying.
Yeah. Painting the boat white.
Yeah, first top coat.
Yeah.
Glued the keel runners on last night, so next job is to remove the weights.